What's up guys, today we are looking at some buffer pads that I bought off Amazon. So this is just the first look. So these are, the brand is Dimoxii, and that's not even English. So it's 3-inch woolen waxing buffing pads. Let me just cut them open. Okay. So this is the backs of them. I presume it's Velcro. They have different, this one's thicker, medium, this one's much softer, this one's much tougher. These must be the same then. Hey, this is blue. Yeah. So this is the main part. Screw this in. And this part would go into the drill, and then I have to figure out what the what's the abrasiveness for these. This one seems thicker. I guess these would be the same. Soft. This would be the softest. I guess this one is the softest. Just from the feel of it. So in order would go like this. Blue, and then you'd have this woolen type one. Actually, let me give it a go. So I have my drill here, my trusty Makita. So there we have it. Don't have much battery, but yeah, so that's the first look at it. I'm going to use it to buff parts for the car and stuff like that. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.